We just had breakfast here at Muthu and Ah Hock, and we're going to the toy shop. Good. We're going to the toy shop. Hi guys. My mom is there. We're in Petaling Street, or close to Petaling Street. That's my brother. Say hi. Hello.
Good
morning.
Good morning.
Smile. We're nearby Petaling Street right now at this parking place, and I don't know how to get out of the car right now because there's this car right here parked. I have to get out of the car first. I was supposed to be doing something else today, but my brother called saying that he wants to take his daughter to this toy shop near Petaling Street. So that's what we're doing today. It's a different kind of vlog. It's a family vlog. You get to see my niece, my brother, maybe my mom, but she doesn't like to appear on the vlog, just a little bit. So I don't know what's happening today, but first up on the agenda is to go to that toy shop. We're having breakfast first. Not breakfast, brunch. So we're along Jalan Balai Polis right now, not far from the police station, the traffic police station. And we're about to have breakfast at this kopitiam called Muthu and Ah Hock. And the last time I was here was, I think, 3 to 4 years ago with my colleague. My colleague was a journalist, so she wrote an article about this kopitiam. And it's good to be back here. So they have the nasi lemak, the goreng-goreng, the noodle soup, Hainanese, roti telur, and you know the usual stuff that you can get from the kopitiam. Cham ice. Itu je. My brunch is here. Nasi lemak with telur madu. Brother is having the toast set. She's eating like the other half. And then not the telur goyang, but half-boiled egg. This is what? Soto ayam. And she's having the soto ayam too. And we ordered Roti Jala and curry while I'm still finishing my nasi lemak. So we just had breakfast here at Muthu and Ah Hock, and we're going to the toy shop. Good. We're going to the toy shop. Go to Nenek. What's that? We are close to one of the entrance at Petaling Street, and I don't even know this place existed, but apparently my brother went to buy the toys here. We're at the toy shop and we couldn't find the remote for her car. Sian.
Yeah,
how you feel? Okay, let's go find it somewhere else. Jom. I think she's looking at the cars behind her. Something happened to the remote, apparently. Kan, what did you do to the remote? And they don't sell the extra remote here, so we have to go to a different part of the city. Okay, we're back at the parking, and behind me is PNB 118. I don't know if you can see it from here. That? Yeah, that. So that's gonna be the next tallest building in the country. And now my brother asked me to drive. Baru je nak relax. Oh, I have to drive now. To Jalan Raja Laut. We're really exploring KL. We're nearby Jalan Raja Laut right now, and I'm gonna turn to find a parking place. And look, this is my first time on the elevator, parking elevator, parking lift in KL. So we're just waiting for the lift. My first time here though.
Muat ke? Muat lah.
Oh my god.
Tu tekan tu dia ke? Kan? Tu.
It's my first time here. Kinda scared. That is my...
Ha? Tak tekan ni?
Tengah naik kan?
Ha? Tak naik ke?
Tengah naik lah.
Ya.
Tak tekan apa-apa
Tak, tekan 8 je.
Macam tak bergerak
Fifth.
Wow.
Tekan ribu semua.
Jakoi. Orang tu pun takkan video juga. Yeah. Wow. Hashtag Jakun. Just arrived at GM, but look at the view from the parking here. You have the KLCC there. Can't see KLCC, but a nice view of KL. We're gonna find your remote control. So we are on Jalan Raja Laut right now, and if you explore this road, this stretch of Jalan Raja Laut, there are a lot of wholesale shops, including toys. So I don't know which way we're going because there are a lot of toy shops here. First shop at Jalan Raja Laut. A lot of cars, but we're finding the BMW. Where's the BMW? This is the second shop that we're about to enter. Hopefully we can find her car's remote.
Nampak?
That's a small car. So I'm going up alone on the staircase up to the 11th floor, while my mom, my brother and Arya, they're on the 8th floor. So that's not that bad. So I'm going to do the 10th floor. Hey, this is how they bully me. Not too bad. I've reached 11th floor. This is how they bully me, guys. Best, tunggu. Where are we going, boss?
Ada kafe apa semua bang.
Where are we going? Okay, so we couldn't find the remote to her car because we actually have to order it from China so that it syncs with her car and stuff. So a bit complicated, so we couldn't find it. We couldn't just buy it at the shop there. Anyway, behind me is IKEA Cheras, and I'm at MyTown right now just to have lunch. I don't think I'm going to continue this vlog. I think this vlog ends right here. I hope you've enjoyed this family outing, my small family outing around KL, right from Petaling Street to Jalan Raja Laut. Anyway, subscribe to my channel. I post videos on what to eat, do and see in Kuala Lumpur. Watch my previous vlog, and as always, I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye guys. Okay. And it's a huge portion. I don't even know how I'm gonna eat this.